Nonsense life ko. Happy birthday. Thank you. Oh. We're gonna get a cleavage discount. Genevieve, cleavage discount. Ito din no, hindi nagpaawat. Another cleavage discount. Oh, may mga cleavage discount kami dito. Ano daw?
Matagal na hindi nakita ito. Bago palagi. Lagi naka-drag rider. Naka-drag rider dito.
My friends, how we doing? Alright, I have our crab rangoon cigars here.
What's the bread? Hindi pwede man.
Yeah, they're southern wonton wrappers. They're stuffed with love crab and cream cheese, a little bit of serrano chili in there, and then a pineapple sweet and sour at the bottom for dipping.
Thank you. Huwag ka lawin. Huwag ka lawin.
Yeah, it's gonna be our Parker House milk butter and then hot honey butter. And then it's on here. We have our Parker House rolls. This is gonna be the hot honey butter, and this will be your truffle. Anything I can get for you guys on here?
Hello, Mera. Mera Lalimos. Thanks for watching. We have here at the restaurant, live band.
Sa inyo kasi di pa order sa hindi ako tuloy yan. Right lang. O sinati gusto ng bread.
Kaya na, nonsense live ko to eh.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Okay lang. Nonsense live ko naman to eh. It's not important. Picture daw muna bago masira.
Grabe yung kinarta ko.
Hindi ka kakain ito. Yeah, maybe siya. Picture tayo. I'm gonna give my phone. Phone mo? Oh, thank you. No alcohol, yeah? Yes, I die if I have some alcohol. Oh, picture. Picture daw. Genevieve. Layo. Yaoy, ang layo-layo. Kasi di makita. Can I have one more from my phone?
Mata na lang tayo. Baka nandito na sa puso.
Ayun na.
Habang ngayon na medyo mataas pa.
Yeah, show off. Cheers, Ate Helen. Ano yung sa'yo, Dap?
Ano ba yan tayo?
Cheers, Dap. Mataklan sa Ate Helen. Mataklan yung ako, eh.
Ano mo sa salad? Ano naman ito?
Ka-pretty na lang yun, Carl.
Ito ako sa pumakap.
Ate, gusto ka salad? Salad? Busy texting your boyfriend.
Gusto mo ba daw ng salad? Sure. Baka marami.
Gusto ka salad?
Saan gusto ng salad?
Dali, yummy.
Masarap yan.
At walang alcohol.
No, it's like a lime.
Thank you so much for the birthday greetings.
Mas lalo mo sino ba yung pinapakita mo dyan? Sino ba yung show off mo dyan?
Kaya nga,
Alright? Just tell them, don't worry, when I come home tonight, I'll wear it for you. Thank you.
what is that? Oh, butter? Yeah.
That is the, yeah, honey, butter, yummy. Pag-google na. Tatanggalin ko sila kaya mamaya. Ilahin mo na. Ilahin mo na lang.
Spicy.
Yeah, I know, it's spicy.
Oh, yes, spicy.
It's yummy with the sweet.
It's too spicy. It's too spicy for me.
Tasting good? Awesome.
Yeah.
I'm going to take those entree orders now. Get that coming out right after this. So for you, I had the salmon western entree. Salmon over here as well with the Brussels. Mix. How about you?
I'll get the shrimp bolognese.
Get the shrimp bolognese. Good? The spring salmon. Perfect. Oh, yeah.
Salad. Hindi salad, but it's called
It's like a thicker sauce at the bottom. It's soupy. It is meant to be halibut. Yeah, they just placed it in that. Yeah, exactly. No, that is really good deal at that.
Do you have to order for dinner or no? Kasi nag-try na.
This is my birthday.